want to take too much time because I think we have overshot on the time as well because of a lot of things that we have done right in the event, and having dignitaries like J. Garu, Mr. Shrikant Sinha, as well as Mr. Rao, who all came and graced the occasion. And I would definitely like to thank on behalf of My Anatomy and BW people who conceptualized this event as ITTL, which is India's Tech Talent League, and we focused on 3 aspects of it, and that's something that we have accomplished here. And I can proudly say, because of our partners who helped us in this journey of conceptualization to execution of the event from start to finish. So I would like to acknowledge as well as thank our sponsors, title sponsors, Voxen University, our knowledge partner, which is T-Hub, also helping us with the premises and the facilities here to conduct an event. And a lot of people did ask us questions about, are you doing it in an open area at T-Hub? And I think knowing the weather at Hyderabad and also taking a risk with it, and fortunately God also has been kind to us, and today the weather as well as the surroundings here, I didn't feel that I came from Bangalore, but I didn't feel that I was in Hyderabad today. So task Chitkara University as a university partner, and Seed as our innovation partner, GoCloud as our consulting partner, and the startup ecosystem partner is Entropy, and our gold partner as primarily the College of Engineering, and the AI-thon partner. We couldn't actually run the AI-thon event, though we had a lot of participation happening, but we could not complete the final so that we could award the winners here in this particular event. We're going to be doing this AI-thon winners and facilitating them in our Bangalore event, which is going to happen on the November 2nd. So thank you very much for your patience and being with us right through the event and the kind of energy. And I would also like to thank Abhishek for all that he has done, holding the stage, hosting the entire event from start to finish. And generally when he hosts events like these, he does not eat. Can you believe it, the kind of energy that he demonstrates here without food? And today, if I had not insisted in the morning, he wouldn't have possibly had breakfast too, right? So I forced him to have breakfast, and that's one of the reasons maybe like he felt a little more sleepy is what he was saying in the morning. So thank you everyone.
My name is Jay Chowdhury. I'm the founder, chairman of the India Startup Foundation. Today we are here in Hyderabad at T-Hub to participate in the Tech Talent Conclave. The Tech Talent Conclave, this format is very, very important. Today we are getting the benefit of the $1 trillion economy because of the tech talent, and through that all the IT services industry, IT products industry have come in our country in a big way. Today if you see Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai, Gurgaon, Pune, all these IT driven cities, they become so successful because of the technology industry, because of the IT industry. It's because of the talent. We had a good talent earlier because of the IITs, good private and public universities. But of late, what is happening is whatever the talent required for the tomorrow's technology changes, that talent we are not able to produce in many universities. That's where now we have to rethink, are we producing the right kind of a talent? So that is the kind of discussion that we are going to have in this Tech Talent Conclave. Unless we prepare our talent to meet the futuristic technologies, whether it's a ChatGPT or any other futuristic technologies, we have to somehow see that our people who are coming out of the colleges, universities, they are relevant to the new technologies, they are still relevant to the industries and startups. Then Indian economy not only boost, it may become multi-trillion-dollar economy, and there will be a lot of startup companies may become like companies like Google, Microsoft and Apple. I think that transformation is likely to happen, but for that the most important is how do we prepare our manpower to suit the global requirements, not the just Indian requirement, because they have to compete with the students from the Stanford of the world or MITs of the world or Harvards of the world, because world is flat. our colleges or universities, college students, if they think that competition is only from local, they are wrong. Competition is global because everybody will compete for the same job. Unless they are prepared to have the same kind of mindset, same kind of innovation, creativity and entrepreneurship mindset, they will not be able to compete. That's where now we require disruptive reforms in the education and the talent related area. So we are going to discuss more on this in this kind of conclaves. Not only in Hyderabad, we are taking this conference to other cities also, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Delhi, so that everybody will be prepared how to create the new age talent to suit the upcoming revolutions in the technology industry. So hopefully, I think our country is going to do very well. They are going to supply the best talent not only for our industry but whole industry all over the globe. Thank you.
నమస్తే అండి, నా పేరు శేషాద్రి వంగల. ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో నేను co-founder along with JS sir, Sunil Gavaskar garu, alage working with all the governments including Telangana government. We are more మన స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ఒక మిషన్ ఏంటంటే ఒక కాంప్లిమెంటరీగా మన జాబ్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలని, మెయిన్లీ స్టార్టప్స్కి వీటికి ఇచ్చేయాలని. సో ఐ మీన్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్, నేను లండన్లో ఉండేవాడిని. లాస్ట్ 3 years నుంచి ఐ కేమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఇండియా. మనకి ఏదో స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఏదో కొంచెం మనతో మనకు బిట్ చేంజ్ మన దగ్గర నుంచే రావాలని చెప్పి చేసాం. ఈరోజు మనకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 10,000 వాలంటీర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఐఎస్ఎఫ్ ఇది ఓన్లీ 12 months ఓల్డ్ ఇది. బట్ మన ఫస్ట్ కట్ అండ్ రైజర్ జరిగిన హౌస్ ఆఫ్ లార్డ్స్లో ఇంగ్లాండ్లో అబౌట్ తెలుగు ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ థింగ్, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ మన ఐఎస్ఎఫ్ అనేది జరిగింది హౌస్ ఆఫ్ లార్డ్స్. రిషి గారి క్యాబినెట్ వీళ్ళందరూ వచ్చారు. అలాగే ఇప్పుడు నెదర్లాండ్స్ అలాగే వీళ్ళందరితో మనకి ఎంఓయూస్ ఉన్నాయి టు క్రియేట్ ఆ కంపెనీస్ అన్నీ అలాంగ్ విత్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ వీళ్ళందరూ చేస్తూ పాటు మనం కూడా గవర్నమెంట్ వాళ్ళ ఇది ఉన్నా కూడా అందరితో కలిపి చేయాలి. అలాగే G20లో ఐఎమ్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టార్ట్అప్ 20 కోచెస్. సో ఇవన్నీ కలిపి ఒక యూనిఫైడ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్గా మన ఐఎస్ఎఫ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. సో బేసికల్లీ మనం మాట్లాడడానికంటే యాక్షన్ చేయాలి, అందరూ రావాలి. ఎందుకంటే మీడియా మీద అందరికీ చెప్పాలి, ఇది మెయిన్ అది రీజన్. ఇదివరకు వి డిడ్ ఏ మెగా జాబ్ ఫేర్ మన ఓయూ ఉస్మానియాలో కూడా చేసాం. 20,000 people as part of this they got jobs. Even normal graduates కూడా we had that opportunity. అది మనం కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. ఈ అమృతకాలకి డెఫినెట్గా ఉపయోగించాలి. మన వరల్డ్ అంతా ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు, ఇండియాని చూస్తున్నారు మెయిన్లీ. ఈ టైంలో మనం దాన్ని కరెక్ట్గా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి, సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలి. దానికి మన అందరం కలిసి చేస్తే తప్పకుండా చేస్తామని నా అయితే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.